Alright guys, today we are going to show you how to start couponing at CVS. Now, here is the deal. I used to coupon crazy, like all the time. It was my favorite thing to do every weekend. True or false?
True.
Every Sunday we would go, and I don't know if they loved it, but it was just definitely part of our Sundays. And I haven't done it in 2 years, and I finally got it going. So I'm going to show you from scratch, if you've never done it before, how to get started. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head to one of the many websites that break down the deals for the week. So I went and I chose the deals that I liked, and I'll walk you through some of them in the next video when I actually go and break them down. But I went through and I checked off the ones that I felt like that my family needed. So for example, a Colgate manual toothbrush, Tide Pods, Crest D mouthwash, etc., etc. I didn't choose chocolate or, there's certain things that I just don't want. So you're already yawning. You're already over what I'm saying. So there's things that I could get on a good deal, and then there's things that I choose not to. Now, when you're first starting couponing, you need to start with about $20 in your hand. You're going to pay about $20. And my theory is you're going to ride that $20 for the rest of your life. And if you look at my past coupon videos, I have a whole playlist on that. You ride that $20. I mean, every week I don't really pay much more except for the tax, because what I do is I then use my extra care bucks, and then I use the deals and the coupons that I find online, and I sort of just ride the wave until the end of time. And for the last few years that I did couponing for YouTube, I always came up as the top 99% saver for couponing according to the CVS app at the end of the year. They always told me you saved more than 99% of the country that used the CVS app. So I'm going to show you how. So the first time you do it, you're going to spend about $20. So my video that I do tonight, you're going to be like, Vera, you spent like $19. What are you talking about? You didn't save any money. But it's going to get better. So just bear with me. So let's roll. So, okay, so I went to, I like livingrich.with-coupons.com. And I like, I think she's called My Crazy Coupon Lady. She has no branding on her printout. She should definitely fix that. This one happens to be My Crazy Coupon Lady. I'm going to email her and tell her she needs to fix that. But I'm going to show you how this goes. So first up, I chose, so you buy one Colgate manual toothbrush for $3.99, receive $2 back in extra care bucks, so that already makes it $1.99. And then there's a $1 coupon from the SS handout. SS is Smart Savings, I think it's called, from the 6/3 newspaper. So the other thing that you have to do once you start couponing is you have to order a Sunday newspaper coming to your house. You need 2 coming to your house. I only get the weekend paper, and we happen to buy these, so this is a little bit extra out of pocket, but when you do the delivery, it's a lot less. So weekend subscription, 2 at a time. You need 2 because a lot of times when you do these deals, it says limit 2. So you always want to do the limit. You always want to get the max, and sometimes it's 2 for $5. A lot of the deals you're going to see, you need 2. So you need 2 newspapers in order to do this. And you're saying, Vera, you don't need newspapers. You can print so many coupons. Is that what you're thinking? You can, but let me show you. So if I were to get the newspaper coupon, it's $1 off. If I were to print out the coupon, it's 75 cents off. And you're saying, Vera, that's a quarter. You're ridiculous. Why do I care about a quarter? Well, are we doing this or are we not doing this? It all adds up. So if I'm going to buy 20 items today at CVS and I'm saving 25 cents, 50 cents more because I'm getting the subscription paper and I'm doing 2 at a time per transaction, that really adds up at the end of the day. You're talking about a $7, $8 savings per week. And the way that I shop, the way that I do couponing, it adds up. So personally, weekend subscription, and you know, if you want to save the plants, if you're a tree lover, you know, you're still printing. I mean, are we really going to have this discussion? I don't know. Just get the newspapers. So okay, so basically you're going to pay $2.99 for that Colgate because it was $3.99. You're going to get $2 back. Then you're going to get $1 off the coupon. So basically you're going to spend 99 cents for a toothbrush. Oh, there he is. They were all going to a communion, so we're a little fancy today. So that's how this is working. So basically, my toothbrush is going to cost me 99 cents. Is it free? No, it's not free. But you're going to see as you go along, you're going to start piling up stuff, and you're really the savings are significant. There are things that are free. We're going to go down here. So Colgate Optic White. Colgate Optic White toothpaste over here is it's let me see, $3.50. But if I use a $1 off coupon, and then when you go to the kiosk, you get a $2.50 off coupon, that item is free. So you can go down and see what works for you, what doesn't work for you. Tide Pods is $4.95, but after I stack up my coupons and their sale, I'm going to get it for $1.71. Now, you're starting to see these are really great prices. Am I going to walk out this week with, you know, a $2 receipt? No, my receipt's probably going to be more like $18 because this is my first haul. But when I start to collect my extra care bucks, next week, once I apply these extra care bucks, that's when I'm going to start seeing the just tax receipt bill. And you're going to start being really excited about my my videos, just as we were last year and the year before that and the year before that and the year before that. And here we are again. So I just want to show you a little bit about what these look like. So this is like a handout of what you would receive. I used to clip out only the coupons that I want, and I don't do that anymore. I just pretty much keep them in I keep them as is, and I keep them in a pile. And you can see, like, this says P&G June 2018, and then when I do my little printouts, it'll say, you know, you want to basically get the coupon from P&G June 2013. It tells you exactly when, you know, where to find it. So I like to keep it in place, and then I can just see, oh, okay, I need SS from June 3rd, and then all I have to do is look at the date and say, okay, here's the SS from June 3rd, and then I flip through and find the coupon that I need. I just keep a little pile. I clip everything together. To be really honest with you, if you look back at all my videos, I used to have all types of things going on. I used to have a binder. I used to have a envelope system. I used to have folders in place. I mean, I would get a little nutty. But this time around, I don't think I have the capacity for that. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clip these all together, keep them in place, and then take them as I need them, because that's the best I can do right now. I can't really dedicate a lot of time to couponing. I'm just going to do one place. I used to do Walmart. I am going to look into BJ's. I'm going to do a whole I'm actually going to do a whole video on BJ's. I had a big discussion with some friends on Facebook about per item weight. So we were talking about Ritz crackers, and we were my husband and I, we had did the math, Stop and Shop versus BJ's on a sale at Stop and Shop versus a regular price at BJ's, and it was significantly cheaper at BJ's. And I said, is this math right? Because it is so much cheaper at BJ's if you buy in bulk, even compared to the sale item price at Stop and Shop. And I popped it up in a mom group that I'm part of it on Facebook, and everybody was chiming in and said, absolutely, it is so much cheaper at BJ's. And BJ's, if there's 3 items for sale in a box, so if they're selling 3 Ritz cracker boxes within the bulk item at BJ's, you can bring 3 coupons. So that was like, I almost fell on the floor. I was like, wait a minute, what are you saying? So if I have 3 75-cent off coupons, are you telling me I could bring 3 coupons to BJ's and they will take 3 75 cents off that item? And they said yes. So, wow, I didn't know that. So that's another thing that I'm going to start doing. I'm definitely going to start looking for more coupons to bring to BJ's and start buying the bulk items that I normally buy for food, because CVS is really great for household items, but I don't really buy a lot of stuff for food-related items there. I mean, every now and then you can get a good deal on a cereal, but not so much anything else. So, and then I just want to show you, I do buy, oh no, my thing was set on double side. Oh my gosh, this is like Sophie's Choice. I have to choose which coupon I want. I'm so upset.
If you use all 3 of these, you would save $2.20.
Yes, thank you. But now I have to pick which one I want on this side. I'm so upset.
I'm gonna use this.
Gosh, look what happened. Double-sided. I am so upset. This is what happens your first run, guys. Make sure you're not on double-sided. Thanks, guys. And then, you know, you have to be conscious of your dates. And then on your computer coupons, you always have to read limit 1 coupon per purchase, maximum of 2 coupons per order, or maximum of 1 coupon per order, which stinks. I like the 2 coupons per order because I'm not like an extreme coupon person. I don't like to go. Yes, you are. I don't like to go and buy like 50 at a time. I'm embarrassed when I bring like 50 coupons because 2 is enough for me. I'll get 2 at a time. I'm like Noah. I'm like, I'll take 2 shampoos, 2 razors, you know. Okay, my kids are going crazy now, so I'm going to stop. So I usually just print 2 at a time. So everything I have here is 2 at a time. And Caleb. So that's it.
Save $2.
Yeah, save $2 at a time. Be conscious of your expiration dates. 2 newspapers. My Crazy Coupon Lady, Living Rich with Coupons are my 2 favorite sites for now. And then I bought I'm going to put a bunch of links in. I'll get some links in order for you guys, and I'll keep them on my coupon videos in particular. And until next time.